Trying to figure out if Airwallex is the right choice for your business? We often get asked about which payment methods are supported, and one of the big questions is always about Apple Pay. So, let's get straight to it. Yes, Airwallex absolutely supports Apple Pay. But it's more than just a simple yes. Airwallex integrates Apple Pay in two key ways, whether you're talking about making payments or accepting them. First, if you're an Airwallex cardholder, you can add your eligible Airwallex employee cards, both physical and virtual, directly to your Apple Wallet. This allows you to use Apple Pay for everyday business purchases, making secure, contactless payments in stores or online with just your iPhone or Apple Watch. It's all about convenience and keeping track of expenses easily. Second, and this is crucial for businesses selling globally, Airwallex supports accepting Apple Pay as a payment method for your customers. When you use Airwallex's payment gateway on your e-commerce site, you can enable Apple Pay at checkout. Why is this a game changer? For your customers, it means a faster, secure express checkout experience. They can skip manually entering card details, shipping, and billing info, and complete the purchase with a single tap using Face ID or Touch ID. This dramatically reduces friction at the final step, which is a massive win for conversion rates. Airwallex handles all the technical integration in the back end, meaning your business can instantly offer this popular digital wallet option to millions of Apple users around the world. No extra fees, just a seamless way to sell more. So, whether you're managing company spending or optimizing your online sales, Airwallex ensures you're fully connected to the convenience and security of Apple Pay. If you're looking to streamline international payments and modern business banking, this is one box you can definitely tick off the list.